Hi guys, you guys, this is a brand new day, different from when you saw me started my hair in a few clips before. The day was so long, I did not pick up the camera for the rest of the day. What you doing? Who you waving to? That is not Papa. Sit down. The day was so long, I didn't pick up the camera for the rest of the day, but it's a brand new day right now and I am on my way to my appointment to get my nails done. Baby's gonna keep the kids for me until I finish my appointment. I go and pick them up and run a little errands on the road and then head back home to do some final things because it's my last day to get everything done. Today is do or die. Today is pick up or leave. Anything don't go in the suitcase today, then that's it. Yeah, so that's where I am right now. Babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I have a little bit of energy this morning, so I'm giving it to you, okay? Tyler and Babe just left out to go to school. Tyler will not be on campus today. He'll be off to a picnic and museum, so that's amazing. He's looking forward to that because Tyler loves museums. No, Sarah, don't trouble that, please. Give it to Mama. All right, where am I? You guys know that we're planning for vacation or in preparation, intense preparation for vacation. If you're new to the channel, then you wouldn't know that. Get down, please. What do you want? Sit and watch TV. If you're new to the channel, then you wouldn't know that we're in preparation for vacation, but now you know because I'm telling you guys. So subscribe to the channel because you do not want to miss our vacation vlogs. We're heading off to the USA and we'll be in different parts of USA doing exploring and having fun. So throughout the trip we'll tell you guys in advance where we'll be. So follow me also on Instagram and check the YouTube stories so that when I post, you guys can know where we are and what's going on with us and follow us on this journey. Now, I went to bed last night after 2 a.m. more like this morning, 2:30. I finished pressing out my hair because my mission today is mission here all day, along with finalizing some packing things that needs to go in the suitcase today and today is the only time I have because tomorrow is another day, a brand new day. But let's speak on today. So today's mission is for me to get my hair done. The hairstyle that I'm attempting, I've never done this style before, but you guys know that once Mel wants to do something, she can do it, right? All right, so today's mission is Mission Passion Twist. If you guys don't know what that is, then follow me along and come see what that entails. Now, I am going to elastic up my entire head in small squares and then I'm going to attempt to put in the braids to create the look that I'm going for. So, wish me luck. Babe gone to drop Tyler, so when he comes back he'll get to help me while he's working to get my parts right and stuff like that. So let's go. Mission here. Right now it's 8 o'clock in the morning because Tyler just head off to school, so let's do this. I have all day, so I need to make it count. See you guys through the process. So this is my hair right now. I ran my hot comb through it last night, so I wouldn't have to do that this morning. Now it's on to elasticing up all of it. Guys, you guys, this is a brand new day, different from when you saw me started my hair in a few clips before. The day was so long, I did not pick up the camera for the rest of the day. What you doing? Who you waving to? That is not Papa. Sit down. The day was so long, I didn't pick up the camera for the rest of the day. But it's a brand new day right now, and I am on my way to my appointment to get my nails done. Baby's gonna keep the kids for me until I finish my appointment. I go and pick them up and run a little errands on the road, and then head back home to do some final things, because it's my last day to get everything done. Today is do or die. Today is pick up or leave. Anything don't go in the suitcase today, then that's it. Yeah, so that's where I am right now. Baby's heading to work with the kids for me. So I didn't get to finish talking to you guys. I had to run in the tram because I was waiting on Babe and didn't realize that he reached the moment a tram was in front of us. So we got in the tram, reached town. Baby's gone with the kids. You guys see the finished product of my hair. Tell me how you like my hair. So I did the passion twist, and yeah, this is the finished product of what I did yesterday, which for you guys is a few clips before. So I'm heading to my nails appointment right now, like I said earlier, and I have my appointment at 8 o'clock, and it's now 15 minutes before 8 o'clock, and I'm already here. So Babe keeping the kids at the office for me until my appointment is finished. So anyway, you guys, I'll catch you guys later. This is the last vlog of the week, so the vlog after this one will be the start of good times, of fun. Fingers crossed that all will go well, and you know what I mean, we're getting ready, we're getting closer to the day. Anyway, you guys, later I'm at my nails appointment. So the name of the salon that I went to is Bamboo Beauty. There you go. If you're in Nice, that's where it is. And she does massage in there, and she does nails in there, and her prices are amazing, and not to mention her services. So if you're in Nice, that's where you go. There goes my nails. Let me show you guys real quick. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hold on. Can you guys see my nails properly? Hold on. I want to catch it properly for you. There you go. The color is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And she works so well. Love it. Let's chat up a bit. So my nails finish. It's a salon that's in a perfect location in center town. You don't need to walk too much distance to find this salon, and she is so nice. She's the sweetest. When you're there, it's my first time having her doing my nails, and doing my nails with her felt like I've been there before, like I've met her before. Yeah, so the name of the salon is Bamboo Beauty, and if you're in Nice and you want to get your nails done, I highly recommend that you visit this salon. Now that my nail is done, I need to go and pick up my kids from hubby, and then we're gonna head home to finish up final packing, and I'll catch you guys later. I am in Old Town right now to find gifts for USA. Hi babe. Okay, I'm coming. Trying to find gifts to take to USA with me, but babe called, so I'm gonna go get the kids, and then I'm going to come back down here to try and find something. Look who I have here. Say hello. Look who I have here. Sarah. Sarah. Say good morning, Faves. Yes. All right. Let's go find gifts. Let's see what we can find. So this is another section of Old Town. You guys, Old Town is so big that every time I come to Old Town, you guys gonna see a new section of Old Town.
Can I say something to say?
Sure. What do you want to say to Faith?
Before Old Town, you see where we live? Named Nice.
Mm-hmm.
And in French,
Uh-huh.
where we are, Old Town is
In France, where we are in Nice.
is Old Nice.
Uh-huh. That's why it's called Old
And
Town.
before Old Nice,
Uh-huh.
what the name of Old Nice was just Nice.
Okay. That's what you want to tell us?
Yes.
That's what you learned on your tour yesterday?
Yes.
Pardon. Alright, Tyler toured this place yesterday. So that's why I was giving you guys fresh information.
In Old
Want any help? Where you want to go?
need to go
You need help?
à la plage.
Ah, you're trying to find the beach.
Oui.
Alright, continue going this way. And then it's the first left turn that you see. Just take that road and it takes you right there. So just continue this way. The first left turn, go right down and you'll find it. You're welcome. Ava. Two girls trying to navigate their map, trying to get to the beach. So I help them to find the beach. Okay, this part of Old Town, like I said, you guys have never seen before. So I'm taking you through with me while I search for gifts. That's Old Town. This Nice bag look nice. There's a lot of stores in Old Town. Old Town is made up of stores and restaurants. Wow, look at these swimsuits and these outfits. They're nice.
Mama, you see what
Look at this building.
It's Pura. You see here?
Uh-huh.
It's under is in Nice language, and on top is in French.
Okay, so it's the Nice dialect down the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, got it. I see, my boy, I see. Wow. Look at these fancy dancy dresses. Wow.
It's expensive.
From your look at it, you can tell. Look how much for one dress. 131 euro. Keep it walking. Let me keep moving. That's why they're so pretty.
39 is 112.
No, I said 131. I was looking at the one up the top. This store right here is very expensive. But the fact of it expensive, I can understand because the quality of the things that they have is so beautiful. So pretty. Don't touch. She's sitting pretty. Wow. Old Town is so beautiful. Look at tourists. Tourists coming through. Tourists coming through. Tourists and more tourists doing tour. Ooh, nougat. Bonjour. You want to taste nougat? No? No, merci. It's a nougat store. And the cheese. Bonjour. You want to taste cheese? No, merci. Yummy? Ah. Merci. Look who's at the park, Sarah. Ooh. 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 One's swinging, one is hungry. Hey. Hey, Ty. So carry the kids to the park so they have a little fun. Since we're right here. Ice cream time. Sarah, which one you want? You want ice cream? Options and more options. Wow. Wow. So many. Which one you want? You can't choose?
I can.
Which one? Lemon. Citron? Vous avez? Ah, un boule.
One boule?
Oui.
And the can of corn or corn?
Le petit corn. Oui. Oui. Mais si vous avez noisette ou pas? Ah, oui. Un autre, oui. Comme ça. Oui. Le petit. Ice cream for the kiddos before lunch. Can you believe it? Okay, my kiddos are happy. They played. They're eating ice cream. We're gonna have lunch after, but we're waiting for Papa because Papa is gonna have lunch with us. And then after lunch, we're gonna head straight home so Mama can finalize everything that she has to do on her to-do list for today. So we're just walking the street to make them eat their ice cream. You okay, Ty? Had fun? Hey, had fun? Ice cream sweet is not answering.
Yes.
Yummy, Sarah?
I said yes.
Okay. So this is the entrance to Old Town on this street where we are right now. So Old Town is behind these buildings right here. So we are in center Nice. Town Nice. Now it's time for lunch. Chinese food. Lunchtime. You sure you're not giving him too much rice? Lunchtime. Guess who's sleeping? Sarah. Knocked out. We're having lunch right now, and then I'm gonna head straight home because I am tired. Super duper tired.